Programming Your 2007 to 2010 GMC Yukon Key Fob, a DIY guide. Lost your key fob or need to program a new one? You can easily do it yourself without a dealership visit. This process involves syncing the key fob's radio frequency with your Yukon's body control module, BCM. This guide will provide clear, step-by-step instructions, saving you time and money. Note, this process works best with OEM or compatible key fobs, 314 MHz frequency. Third-party fobs from online retailers are often used, but may have compatibility issues. Ensure your fob has a good battery before starting. Step-by-step instructions coming next. Insert your key into the ignition. Quickly turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine and then back to off 5 times in a row. This should be done within 5 to 10 seconds. After the 5th cycle, leave the key in the off position. The vehicle should enter programming mode, and you may hear a chime or see a light. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock, confirming the fob has been programmed. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat step 4 with each fob within the same programming sequence. Up to 4 fobs can be programmed. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position. Test each fob to ensure it's working correctly. If the process doesn't work, double-check your fob battery and try again, ensuring you follow the timing precisely. Consider using an OBD2 scanner to troubleshoot if problems persist.